Hello viewers and welcome to a new video. In this video you will learn some important shortcut keys of Adobe Illustrator. So as you can see that I already have wrote the shortcut keys of Adobe Illustrator. So you can see and learn from my video, and these shortcut keys are of these tools. The tools that are here in the toolbar are having some shortcut keys, and the benefit of the shortcut keys that we do not have to go to this panel and select each tool like this or this or this or this. We just have to press these shortcut keys like I press shift plus M to select the shape builder tool, and we'll directly select the tool. So this is the benefit, that we can save our time instead of going to this panel and then select this mesh tool or selection tool or rectangle. So we can directly just press these shortcut keys. Like if I want to edit the artboard, I have to press shift and O. If I want to select the direct selection tool, I will press the A, and if I want to select the selection tool, I'll press the V. So this is the benefit of shortcut keys. So you can learn from here that I wrote in my screen, and I'll also give these shortcut keys in the description. You can also copy and paste into your computer or PC or laptop or whatever you have, and you can learn from there. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like the video, and subscribe my channel and wait for the other part of the video. Thank you.